Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got an adorable project for you. We are knitting baby socks. These little socks are knitted flat, making them perfect for beginners and experienced knitters. This is how the sock is looking before sewing, and you will love how easy they are to make. For this project, I'm using double pointed needles. You may also use straight needles or circular needles, doesn't matter, 3.5 millimeters. And yarn, any yarn. Today I'm using Red Heart. It's comfort yarn. The sock size is up to maybe 4 or 5 months. If you want a bigger size, just use 4 or 4.5 millimeters knitting needles. And to get started, cast on 40 stitches. And the first row, we are going to knit first 13 rows in garter stitch. So slip the first stitch and knit all stitches till the end. Till the end. At the end, we will always purl the last stitch, turn, and row number 2 will be the same as row number 1. Slip the first stitch and knit all other stitches. Again till the end. At the end, purl the last selvage stitch and go on knitting back and forth, in total 13 rows. Here I am. So that's what I have. And please, you need to stop on the right side, so the number of rows has to be odd. Now, before making decreases, we need to place stitch markers. So count 15 stitches, place stitch markers, then 10 stitches and another stitch marker. So 15 stitches on the right side, 15 on the left, and 10 in the center. 10 stitches in the center. And row number 14, slip the first stitch and again knit all stitches till the end. Turn. Row number 15, it is the wrong side of the sock, so slip the first stitch and knit till the first stitch marker. The right side and the left side will be knitted in garter stitch, while center part will be knitted in stockinette stitch. The central part, purl all stitches, purl 10. And knit till the end after the second stitch marker. And always purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 16, here we are going to start making decreases before and after the stitch marker. So slip the first stitch, knit 12 or until you have 2 stitches left before the first stitch marker. Two stitches before the stitch marker, knit 2 together. Central stitches, knit 10. And after the stitch marker, again knit 2 together. And finish knitting. Knit 12. and purl the last selvage. On the wrong side, no decreases. Here is stockinette stitch and right and left side in garter stitch. So slip the first stitch, knit all stitches till the stitch marker, knit 13, then purl 10, and after the second stitch marker, knit all stitches, knit 13 and salvage stitch at the end. Turn. Row number 18 again we are going to make decreases, slip the first stitch, knit until the first stitch marker, make decrease here, knit 2 together, then knit central stitches. After the second stitch marker, again knit 2 together and knit all other stitches. Turn, knit this part, then purl this part and knit this part. In this way you go on making decreases until you have 10 stitches on the right side and 10 stitches on the left side, and in the center there will be also 10 stitches, so in total 30 stitches. Here I am, and that's how the sock is looking now. 10 stitches, 10 stitches and 10 stitches. Now the next row we will knit without decreases, so knit all stitches here and then the wrong side. So you slip the first stitch, knit all stitches till the end, purl the last stitch, turn and then knit right side, then purl central part and then knit right side, and I will be back. And now we are going to start knitting the ribbon. Slip the first stitch, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, remove stitch markers already, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2 till the end. And purl the last selvage stitch. Turn, slip the first stitch and repeat. Knit all the knits and purl all the purls. Purl the last selvage stitch, turn and go on knitting ribbon until the ribbon part reaches about 9 centimeters. Here I am, that's what I have. If we measure the ribbon, so it is exactly maybe end and half, 9 centimeters. I'm going to bind off all stitches on the wrong side. Slip the first stitch, knit 1 and slip the first stitch over the second one. Again, the next stitch is a knit stitch, knit, slip over, then the purl stitch, purl 1, slip over, purl 1, slip the first stitch over the second one. Now knit 1, slip over, knit 1, slip over. Purl 1, slip over, purl 1, slip over. So please go on and bind off all stitches. Now you need to cut the yarn, leaving a long tail, like 50 centimeters will be. Alright, pull the tail through the last loop. Okay, fold the sock wrong side out because we are going to make a seam. On the seam will be on the right side, but because we have a folded cuff, it will be it will be hidden. So the ribbon part we will sew on the wrong side. Take the yarn needle, join into the corner here, once more. And now I'm going to insert my needle between two selvage stitches underneath these two bars in this way. 1, 2, 3, and the same on the other side. So find two selvage stitches. This side is rolling a little bit, so you need to find those two bars and pull the yarn underneath. And again, and on the other side. Please go on seaming till this point. Here is what you see on the wrong side. Let's turn the sock right side out, and you see the seam here, but we will fold the sock and it will be inside. Now holding sock folded right side out, we will seam the back part, the heel part, and the sole. In the same way, between two selvage stitches on the right side and on the left side. Till this point, till the corner. Here it is, here is the seam, and now the sole. You see those long loops? Just pull the needle underneath. Really easy, here and here. The seam is really flat and comfortable to wear. Go on seaming till this point until you have about 4 stitches on the right side and 4 stitches on the left side. Here is the seam, and to get rid of the sharp corner, we are going to find the inner, you see, inner loops, not those long one, but the one that is behind them, and pick up all 8 or 9 loops at the same time, like the hat of the crown. So long and this underneath. Here is the long loop, and here is just a little bit under, like a pearl stitch, looks like a pearl stitch. So pick them all. I don't know how many you're going to have, 8, 9 or 10. This one, and the last one is here. Now pull the tail and close the hole. Here it is. Pull the tail through the center. Make a knot here. Great. And weave in ends. Okay, enough. Cut. Let's try the sock. The leg is a little bit big for this sock, so the sock is small, but still looks okay if we stretch it a little bit. Here it is. Great job, everyone. I hope you enjoyed making these adorable baby socks as much as I did. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumb up, share it with your fellow knitters, and leave a comment letting me know how your socks turned out. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more knitting and crochet tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.